Creating another file. This case we're gonna be create compound list. There was once TV show. Let's create it. First friend was Rachel. Let's assign age 26. After which you create another friend. Age 27. PB. Quotes. Sorry, it's supposed to be right here. Now I'll copy all this. Right on. And it's gonna be Ross 1, Joey, let's say 30, $29. We created a compound list right now. Now we need to print it. Print something. My TV show friend is. So right now I need to select from friends. How do I select? This is in arrays. So first, second. Array. I select 0, 0. Let's save our file and let's print. As you can see, my TV show friend is Rachel here. Now let's print another. Let's print all female friends. So Rachel index is 0, Monica index is 1, Phoebe index is 2. So it should be 1, 2. Save our file and let's run it. As you can see, it's right here. We've reached this object in a list. Now, I'll clear my list and I want to append myself. So I say friends, append. And I want to print myself. So I should be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I should be 6 here. File, save, and as we can see, I should be in square brackets. So all this, square bracket, open, square bracket, close. Now it should be correct. As you can see, I was appended here. Now I want to remove somebody. So I say friends, remove. and remove who. Let's say I want to remove myself. 6, 0. And then I want to print another friends. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I here 3, 4, 5. I'll clear it. I'll clear my terminal, save my file. Let's run it. X is not in a list. Remove 6. Okay, clear. So why the error happens? Because I'm supposed to remove with this type of list exactly what I've added. Let's see now. Exactly happened. I added myself here. However, after that I removed myself properly. I added properly and I removed properly. So in this case there are no errors. That's it. So this is another type of Python list which has key and value. See you in the next lecture.